horrifying reasons why not to shave your pubic hairs again. In brief moments, a written explanation. Shaving of the pubic hair to so many people is nothing new. Ever since pornography became mainstream, people across the globe are spending countless hours every week removing any evidence that hair existed anywhere but on top of their head. However, a few sociological theories have suggested that shaving of the pubic hair has to do with cultural trends spawned by certain hairless actors and actresses, or even a misguided attempt at hygiene. 1. Horrible rashes. Shaving your pubes is hard because of the shape and angles to work with. If you don't do it well, you'll likely end up with a painful rash that'll last for several days. 2. Risk of infections. Ever wonder what your pubic hair is actually for? It serves a very real purpose, and that's to help protect your bits from infections, especially of the bacterial variety. You can also end up with horrible infections in the hair roots. 3. Catching herpes is easier. Having that hair there works as somewhat of a shield against molluscum contagiosum, genital warts, and even herpes. In addition to other safe sex practices such as using condoms, having pubic hair can help keep you even safer. 4. Pubic hair helps control your body temperature. We all know that hair helps regulate body temperature, but how exactly? Hair follicles help with sweating. There is a sebaceous gland on each hair follicle which releases oils onto the hair, that in turn allows the oils go up to the skin's surface. When this oil evaporates, it cools the skin because of its latent heat. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.